Oh, stupid flies. Damn, it's hot. Okay guys, I'm on the move again. Those goats are them following me. But anyway, I'm checking out of Babudu guest house. And look at those goats. I don't know if you can see it clearly. They're staring at me. Whoa, they're coming for me. Okay, let me go out of here. They look like they want to attack me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I can see they're coming. But anyway, let me head out of here. Get on a big ass bag. Yeah, I'm checking into Bob Marley, the guest house here. Go left. Let me go left. Yeah. The Babudu guest house was quite nice. I really enjoyed it. So the goats. Sure. This is the bag I'm carrying. So unfortunately, you have to carry all this yourself. Walking through the corridors. Hello, hello. Straight. Yes. Up down. Okay.
Straight and down.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Bronzy.
Yes.
We miss you.
You must be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perhaps tomorrow will come.
Yes. Maybe I come tomorrow again.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. It was very beautiful the place. Yeah.
You are there.
This is Mama too. That beautiful guest house. Yes. It was very nice.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have a nice time.
Okay. See you. Bye bye. Yeah. What a perfect spot. It was. A beautiful guest house. That was Mama too. I think it's 42 degrees. And I'm not exaggerating. The weather is quite messed up today. So I'm lost now again. Mama do give me some messed up directions. Bob Marley. Ah. There's another construction going on. Oh. Hello. Another break. Carry with my right there. Oh. Goats galore. What? Just walk around them. Oh, they attack me. And there's Bob Marley in the distance. The Bob Marley guest house. Hello, my friend. Small little kid. Yeah, there's Bob Marley. I think I want to stay again there at Babudu. That was a really nice place. So just if you don't like lizards and stuff, just be warned, there's full lizards in that guesthouse. Oh, here's it, yeah. Welcome. Bob Marley. I have arrived. Tough situation. Let's check what's happening. Hello. Hello. How are you? Welcome. Yes. Upstairs.
Yeah, upstairs, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Upstairs.
Yeah, upstairs.
Okay.
Do you want any help?
Sorry?
Do you want any help?
No, it's fine. People love down there.
Hey,
Ali,
how are you?
my friend.
How are you, man?
Okay, man.
Good.
All right, man. You don't mind putting?
You know you're from South Africa?
Yes.
Bafana.
Bafana, oh, you know?
Mandela.
Mandela, yes.
Yes.
I spoke to your friend from Babadur.
Babadur.
The guy, the youngster. You say you know your friend.
Yes.
Yes.
Ahmed?
Ahmed, I think, yeah.
Yes, come on.
Yes.
Come on, guys.
Thank
How
you.
are
All right.
How are you, my brother?
I'm fine, thank you.
Welcome. Welcome to second home.
My second home, yeah. I heard good things about this place.
You're welcome.
It's the goodest place. It looks very good.
You're welcome. It's your home, my brother.
My home.
Our same color.
Same color, yes, we're brown.
Same heart.
Same art.
Yes, you understand?
The Nubian people are good people.
Yeah. Come in your room.
Oh, beautiful.
Come on.
Yeah.
Condition.
Oh, it's nice.
Yes. Bob Marley. That's a bathroom.
Oh, the bathroom.
Yes.
It's nice. Yes.
Yes. Air conditioner working.
Very nice.
Yeah. What's your name?
Pranavan. But my short name is Prinzo.
Prinzo.
Yes.
That's good.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
So, it's smart.
Yes. That's all. That's nobody's style.
No.
Yes.
Nubian style.
And this is a bit like built by bricks.
Okay.
Bricks.
Nice
no?
and strong.
Bricks. You
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
And also that's by bricks.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, my friend.
Yes.
You'll make lunch and stuff here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also you have a terrace upstairs.
Yes.
You can go like in a terrace.
Okay.
See the river. Yeah. Yeah. And you go. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. We can see the river upstairs.
Yes.
And you can give like welcome to this spot. Okay.
Yes. Thank you. Good night.
Okay. Welcome, brother.
Thank you, my friend.
Okay, welcome, brother. Okay.
Alright.
Yeah. Enjoy. Okay.
Ali, your name is Ali, huh?
Ali, yes.
You're very good, man. Thank you.
You're a good man.
I'm going to see you up. I'm coming.
Okay.
Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome.
All right. That was Ali Bob Marley. There's the original Bob Marley here. But that was Ali Bob Marley. What a nice friend. So I booked it online and he was expecting me. He was expecting me. And this is the room. Let's see if we can. There's cupboards. First time I see something like that, but oh, some other people's jeans. Oh, this thing is breaking, but okay. That Here's the toilets. And yeah, the toilet, and this is the room basically. And what's this? Okay. This is the view outside. How do you open this? Aha, okay. Terrace upstairs. There's the goats. Tried to attack me or chase after me. But yeah, this is the outside. Oh. Extremely hot, yeah, but that's why I always like to stay at 2 or 3 different places in the same area, so you're not confined to one. One area to stay. So it's nice to experience different accommodation types. Yeah. One love. Mr. Bob Marley himself. One love. Oh, a lekker nice aircon. Oh, this guy is very friendly, you know. This is this owner of this place, Ali, he made me feel very welcome, and maybe I extend to stay here also. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Let me give you a view from outside my balcony. To me, this is heaven. Although I had a Nile view the other side, but still, staying here in a Nubian village, it's quite nice. So I wanna get settled in here, and I'll see you guys later.